What's up, y'all? Just picked up these two bikes. Sportster right here. This first one is a 883 and this one is a 1200. These are the two I've had. If you guys are following the channel, you guys have seen those before. 04 FXDX, 04 Lowrider, and these are the two new ones. Bottom not running. They need a little bit of work, of course. They hit me with the old need battery and carb clean, and they'll fire right up and everything. So we'll see how true that is. They're pretty they're in need of a cleanup whenever I got them, so I gave them a quick bath on the way home while they were still on the trailer. That was a really good idea, but hard to really get a good shot in here with the lighting and stuff right now. But just want to tell you what I'm going to do with them. Of course, I'm going to keep cleaning them up. I'm debating if I'm just going to, I really don't know. I want to get them running, so I mean, I don't know what some of this stuff is, guys, like why they have string on. I don't know. I think they're like tying down a tarp to it. I'm not really sure, but yeah, I know the 883 looks a little bit cleaner, so I'm gonna start working on that one first. It doesn't have a battery, so I'm gonna pull the battery from this 1200, see if that one, see what the charge is on it, see how, they weren't very clear on them when the last time these ran, so they said they had them tuned up and let them sit. We'll see. I'm just gonna pull the battery on this one. Hopefully it's got, it can take a charge, and we'll put the battery in this one and see what's going on with it. We'll work on the 883 first, and then kind of work our way to this one. I want to at least kind of get them running. Planning to go through the carburetor and everything, but I'm gonna start out by getting a battery, getting it charged. Apparently these are low mile bikes. This one has like 1,000 or something like that, or 4,000. I don't know. One of them has 4,000. There's apparently extremely low miles, but I mean they're older. The one's the 04, one's the 05. Sorry, one's the 05, one's 06. They're both carbureted, but I'm gonna get working on that battery. I got my trickle charger right here. I wish I had a stronger one. That's like 1.25 amps, so I'll plug the battery into that and see if we can get a charge going. Also gonna pour some, take the spark plugs out, make sure that it turns over, put some Marvel Mystery Fluid in there, put it in a high gear and make sure the engine turns over smooth and everything. Let that soak so the cylinders can get, soak in that oil for a little bit, and the rings and everything, pistons. So hasn't moved in a while, so make sure they get some attention there. But I'll get to it, guys. All right, I've got the 883 on the lift here. Taking apart some of these air cleaner bolts so I can get to the carburetor. It's been sitting for God knows how long. I'm just gonna go ahead and assume it needs a carb clean. I've already opened up the spark plugs on this side here. I've been soaking them in this Marvel Mystery Fluid, the cylinders that is, and put it in fifth gear, and then jack the back up with the lift. And it spins, so the motor's not frozen, so we're good there. It's a good sign. All right, quick little update. I got a battery. It's on the other side, obviously. Put it on the trickle charger, made sure it's fully charged. Even though it was brand new, it wasn't fully charged. And also, Amazon came through, got the petcock in there. It's holding gas, it's working just fine, and it works to turn on, and I'm not gonna do it right now, but gas comes out of it, so the petcock's working good. Just gonna leave it there for a little bit longer, make sure it holds. Looks like it's doing good so far. And the other Amazon find was this carb rebuild kit. They have various different ones that have different different pieces. This one, I think this is extra. I don't think I have that seal on this bike. These are the manifolds that go to the cylinder heads, or cylinders, the heads. Yeah, I'm not going to use these on the intake manifolds. This is definitely good right here. This seems pretty cheap and deformed. The one I have that came with the bike, a lot of people in the comments on Amazon put that this is low quality. I mean, I bet it would work. It's a lot thinner, not the same quality as the one that was on the bike, and I think the one on the bike is actually okay, so I might save this just in case and actually run the one on the bike, because the one on the bike is not warped or anything too crazy with it. But some people were knocking this piece. It seems okay. It's not, maybe this one just seems tougher because it's like more brittle, but it's the original one. This might not even be original. Heck, this could be from Amazon too, the previous one. But this piece feels okay. A little flimsy. I cleaned up the other one. I might save that for later and just reuse the one that was on there. I don't know. This one has some good spring to it. This one will probably be all right too, but we'll save that. These O-rings, I don't know where these go. These little ones right here, but I do need this one, and I actually need 2 of those. I don't know why they're not the same size, because I had 2 that came off it where they were that size, so that's kind of weird. Or maybe the person before me did it kind of weird, who knows. But one of them is definitely higher than the other one. This one doesn't match, so that's where they go. Let's see. See if I can see one's like deeper than the other. You know, that might be right. This one looks a little bit deeper than this one, so I'll put the deep one right there. And put that one right there. Hopefully that holds in their different sizes. I don't know about that. We'll have to see. That's kind of sketchy. All right, we'll figure that out. But this piece right here is good. This is gonna go. It seats actually for the accelerator pump. It seats right there just fine, so we're good there. And then also can use the float needle, but mine works just fine on the other one, so I might use this one. It's got a little bit more springiness than the one I have. Yeah, I'll use that float needle they provided. One works, but it doesn't have the same springiness. I'll go ahead and replace it. Yeah, we use that one, and then we use the spring in the kit. It feels comparable to the one that was on the bike already. All right, so I'll figure out what's up with these little O-rings and get back to it. All right, a quick little video here. I'm about to start working on this 06 1200. It's the last year of carbureted. It's pretty crusty. I know this chrome, a lot of it's gonna clean up really quick. The engine is missing a lot of the wrinkle black, so we'll have to figure out what to do about that. But the chrome should clean up, no problem. All right, see what we can do. All right, I'll just put the battery in there and clean up all this like dirt and stuff that's on there. But the battery's in. It's a Harley Davidson battery. I'm going to, I think these are the keys I have for it. It's nice and tight. Perfect. Okay, see what it says. Oh, there we go. Dang, dude. Pipe beams on. Don't need that. Kind of hard to read the mileage. Kind of messed up. This is 8,753 or something like that. We're very close. Okay, cool. So it comes on. Got lights up front. High beam, low beam work. Turn signal. Cool. In the back, let's see. That works. Back one works, cool. Tail lights on. Brake light works. Comes on and goes off like it should. All right, we're in good shape, guys. A little screaming eagle stuff right here. Well, we'll keep cleaning her up. The spark plugs right now. Got spark plugs out. Again, they're soaking in that mistral right there. The cylinders are, but working on the carb. Still got that torn apart. Not sure what all I'm showing you, but I've been working on emptying this tank. I've already taken over a gallon out of there. Still some in there, but I don't want to continue with what's in there. Turn it off not to kill the battery. But I'll show you what I got over here. This carburetor is pretty clean. It's cleaner than I'm gonna get it. Oh, I forgot to get the carb clean for the. I'm running out of carb cleaner. I'm gonna clean this slide and diaphragm. The float bowl was pretty disgusting beforehand. It's not beautiful now, but it was like that's only Play-Doh in there essentially. Got our accelerator pump and then the jets. And then we got to rebuild the kit, so we'll be replacing a lot of these seals and stuff like that. But that's where we're at. Use this chemical stuff there. Let it sit overnight. Choke cable's okay. So yeah, that's where we're at right now, guys. And I'll get back to you when I got more progress. Oh, I'm gonna have to. Engine's kind of ugly, so I have to hit it with some black high temp paint. But also have this air cleaner cover, Karaoke. Gonna have to paint that too because I don't want to change it. I want to leave it the way it was, but can't have it like that. But yeah, here we are, guys. I'll catch you back in a little bit.